Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sign in CapCut. Alright, the first thing you should do is open your CapCut on your phone, and then if you want to sign in, you have to click on this option on the bottom right corner of your screen, and then choose the account that you want to sign in. You can choose TikTok, Google, email, or Facebook, and I'll go with Google. Just click on sign in with Google and then wait for a moment guys, and then choose the Google account that you want to sign in on CapCut, and I'm gonna choose this account, and then you have to enter your birthday right here, and just choose your birthday like this, and click on confirm after you choose your birthday. Okay, the sign in has been successful, and alright, this is my account. Okay, this is my account guys. Okay guys, that's how we can sign in CapCut. Thanks for watching. I hope this video will help you, and see you on the next video. Bye.